Did you know you're only 3 clicks away from getting free buyer traffic to any link, website, or funnel of your choice? Sound good? Awesome! Well, my expert team and I have developed a brand new, never-before-seen cloud-based software that's enabled us to generate free traffic with just a few clicks. In fact, this brand new software even creates a done-for-you profit site which you can use to promote any affiliate products of your choice. Just plug your links into the software and your profit system will be traffic ready in under 60 seconds. And if you like the sound of that, then we want to give you the opportunity to get your hands on this groundbreaking first-of-its-kind software before anyone else. This is a 100% done-for-you cloud-based software and system that's designed to help you get the traffic you need to crush it as an affiliate in 2021. Meaning you'll finally be able to chill out and live the real laptop lifestyle. Without further ado, please allow me to introduce to you Levels. Levels is a cloud-based system that replicates the same profit system that's enabled us to generate free traffic every day in our online business for the past few years, whilst building huge email lists for long-term profits at exactly the same time, inside one easy-to-use dashboard. This brand new cloud-based app is your one-stop solution for generating traffic, and all it takes is 3 super simple steps to start seeing real results online. Here's how it works. Step 1, purchase. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2, activate. Log in, activate, and hit the traffic button. Step 3, enjoy. Sit back, relax, and finally live the laptop lifestyle. Yep, it's as easy as that. If you can follow those simple steps, then you'll see success with the Levels software and system. What's so great about the Levels system is that there's no video creation, no SEO, and no paid traffic required to make this work. In other words, you don't need to do anything tedious, tiring, boring, or expensive. With the Levels system, it won't be long before you see the traffic streaming in. Which means one thing. Your email list will build at a rapid pace, and you'll be in a position to generate commissions just like we do in our online business every single day. The best part about the Levels software and system, there are no monthly costs. And to top it off, you're also getting free buyer traffic built in. This is a 100% newbie-proof system and formula that's enabled us to generate millions on the internet. And now it's your turn to replicate the exact same system. Below this message, you'll see complete details and results from real users of this world-class traffic system. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique free buyer traffic system is going to cost you a fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that. Considering most softwares, tools, and resources that do similar tasks not only start at around $97, but typically charge at least $47 per month to run. But today, you won't be paying $47 per month. You won't even be paying $27 a month. No, not even $27 a month, as we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to remove the monthly fee completely. When you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal. When you act right now, you can get in for a one-time price without any monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy meals for 2 at your favorite restaurant. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70+ brand new money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below. Please note, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk with our unheard-of, no-questions-asked 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep, that's right, you're getting 180 days to try this out. So, if it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. So hurry and take action right now, because the price of Levels is increasing every 60 minutes. So if you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want free buyer traffic in as little as 60 seconds with our 100% done-for-you brand new cloud-based app, then click the Buy Now button right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Levels at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new traffic app, then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. I'll see you on the inside.